Hello everyone, good morning. This is Gracie. Today I'm going to show you how to cook humba. Humba is a traditional way of cooking adobo in the Visayan region. And I have cooked this so many times. And a lot of people that have tasted this, they love this recipe. So the main ingredient is pork belly and garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, and I mince the garlic very tiny cut here. And the rest of the ingredients, I have 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white vinegar, and 2 leaves bay leaves, and 2 cups of water. So I'm going to mix the ingredients together in the bowl. All right, and I'll add the water, soy sauce, and at the end of the video I am going to write down all the accurate measurements of the ingredients. Okay, and I'll mix this together. So make sure that the garlic is you mince it very thinly. All right, and just mix so that the sugar is going to dissolve here. So now I am going to put the pork, I cut it, it's a cube cuts of meat. It's again, it's pork belly. And now I'm gonna add the sauce that I mixed together. Okay, and I don't really need to marinate it, so what I do is I will put it in the stove and cook it into a high medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I will cover it. Hello everyone, I'm back here. So this is after 40 to 45 minutes of cooking the humba. So as you can see, the sauce has significantly reduced, and it's showing the sauce is thickened. And in between the 45 minutes, I added a cup of water, and also I added the black pepper, the whole black pepper, and this is it. It smells really good, and I'm ready to taste it. I'm back again, so it's time to taste this humba. It's already cooked. So it's good if you eat it over rice. And you see, it's very tender. So is it? My goodness. It is so yummy. You know, the the vinegar with the soy sauce and the brown rice combination, it is to die for. Guys, you need to try this. It is yummy. Guys, you need to try this recipe, especially for those who loves meat, people that loves pork and beef. This is amazingly delicious. So until my next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye.